The ASUS ROG Ally made a strong impression in the handheld gaming market with its powerful performance and sleek design, quickly becoming a favorite among gamers. Now, speculation is already building around its successor, the ASUS ROG Ally 2. This next-generation device is rumored to bring several enhancements, including improved ergonomics, a refined aesthetic, and upgraded hardware. One major design update could be the introduction of a black variant, addressing concerns about the original model's white finish, which was prone to visible dirt and wear. Additionally, the chassis is expected to feature improved grip contours and larger controller-style bulges, enhancing comfort during long gaming sessions. While the original Ally stood out for its lightweight build, the ROG Ally 2 may be slightly heavier to accommodate a larger battery and a second USB-C port, both of which have been highly requested by users. The inclusion of Hall effect joysticks is also rumored, promising better durability and precision. A built-in kickstand, similar to that of the Legion Go, may be added for more convenient tabletop gaming. Display improvements are another area of focus. The ROG Ally 2 is expected to offer a higher resolution screen, moving beyond the original 1080p panel to a 2560x1600 display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, similar to the Legion Go. This upgrade would allow for cleaner integer scaling to 800p, optimizing performance without sacrificing visual clarity. The device's bezels may also be slimmed down, following the trend set by the Steam Deck OLED, while enhancements in brightness, color accuracy, and response time should improve the overall visual experience. The 120Hz refresh rate is likely to remain, but touch sensitivity and precision may receive refinements to enhance usability. At the core of the ROG Ally 2, ASUS is rumored to be integrating AMD's Z2 Extreme processor, featuring a unique core configuration with 3 Zen 5 cores and 5 Zen 5C cores, optimizing both performance and efficiency. The RDNA 3.5 GPU architecture is expected to provide substantial graphical improvements, ensuring smoother gameplay in modern titles. Additionally, memory could be upgraded from 16GB to 32GB of RAM, catering to future gaming demands. Storage options may also expand beyond the 512GB and 1TB choices currently available, alongside improved heat management for the microSD card slot to prevent overheating and data corruption. Software optimizations are expected to be a key focus for ASUS. The Windows gaming experience on handheld devices has been criticized for clunky scaling and navigation, but the ROG Ally 2 could bring substantial improvements in UI scaling and overall usability. ASUS is also rumored to be overhauling Armoury Crate, addressing complaints about its unintuitive interface. New software features might include enhanced controller mapping, better game compatibility profiles, and improved performance tuning options. The long-awaited addition of a second USB-C port could significantly improve connectivity, allowing for simultaneous charging and accessory use, something that was a limitation in the original model. Additionally, Windows Sleep Mode, AMD FSR support, and an improved Command Center overlay may offer better on-the-fly performance adjustments. Performance-wise, the Z2 Extreme processor is expected to provide a 30 to 40% GPU performance boost and up to 25% better CPU performance compared to its predecessor. Improved cooling solutions should help maintain stable performance under heavy loads, reducing the thermal throttling issues that some users experienced with the original ROG Ally. Battery life, one of the weaker points of the first model, could see significant improvements. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to feature a larger battery and more efficient power management, potentially extending gaming time to 3 to 5 hours, depending on usage. Faster charging capabilities could also complement the increased battery capacity, minimizing downtime between gaming sessions. While initial rumors suggested a Computex 2024 reveal, more recent speculation points to a potential summer 2025 release. ASUS has indicated that they want to wait for meaningful performance upgrades before launching a true successor. Pricing is expected to remain competitive with premium handheld gaming PCs, likely starting at $699 to $799 for the base model, with higher-end configurations reaching $999. The Steam Deck remains a dominant force in the handheld gaming market due to its affordability, versatility, and seamless integration with SteamOS. Its open-source Linux platform allows for extensive customization, while Valve's consistent updates ensure a smooth user experience. Features like Proton compatibility layers and a vast library of verified games make it an attractive choice for gamers. However, the ROG Ally 2 could offer superior raw performance and visual fidelity, thanks to its hardware upgrades, Hall effect joysticks, second USB-C port, and refined software. For those in the market for a handheld gaming device right now, the Steam Deck remains a solid option, offering great value. However, if you're excited about next-gen advancements in handheld gaming, waiting for the ROG Ally 2 could be worth it. Whether or not it will surpass the Steam Deck remains to be seen, but the excitement surrounding this device is a testament to how quickly the handheld gaming market is evolving.